Okay, this is problem 2-1, and the first thing we notice is it's telling you to set the grid to 0.5 and the snap to 0.25. So I already did that, but it's down here in the snap settings, and you can see that those are set right. So we're going to use circle, and there's a lot of choices under circle. For now, we're going to use center radius. So when I click on that, it asks me for the center point I want to start with. On this particular drawing, it doesn't matter where you start, so I'm going to start there, and I'm going to make the first circle radius. It's asking me for the radius, so I can just type it in. I'm going to type in 4, and that gives me the circle. Then I can always zoom by rolling my wheel, and I can see where I'm drawing it. So then the next circle, I can hit circle radius again, and if I hover on the edge of it, you get that green circle. When that appears, that snaps it to the center of the previously drawn circle. So I'll draw that circle, and this time I want my radius to be 1. So I can type 1, enter, and then I want to repeat the same command. I can just right click and it says repeat. So I'll click that, and I'm going to do the same thing until I get the green circle. And then this time the radius is 0.38. So I can keep drawing circles in that manner. Okay, for the next part, you're going to draw your circles above where you were already drawing. So I'll do a repeat circle, and this time I can count my snaps. And if you count the squares in your book, each square is a ½ an inch. So if you count up, it should put you right about there. And then you can put in the next radius, 0.88. And just keep continuing in that manner around the